This is the Sunrise in brown. Indoor and outdoor slip-on. Hey, I'm excited to see what this is like. Now in every single box, they have natural fit, natural feel, and natural motion. And these shoes are unlike any shoe you've ever worn. They have these cards in here, a special note from the Xero shoe founder. Let's take a look at these slip-ons. I'm so excited. Ooh, okay. I actually really like this. No laces. They have this stretchy band here, which makes it easier for slipping on. I have a feeling it's gonna be extremely comfortable. Okay, so this is made with that microfiber material. And look at the tread on the bottom. So they have that distinct Xero shoe chevron pattern here. And it's a really sturdy, hard, it reminds me of my DIY sandal. Extra grippy, extra durable looking. A nice stretch to them. I think it looks really good. I'm excited to try these out. So a quick disclaimer about the shoes that I'm reviewing currently is that I did not pay for these, first of all, and I do not have any other ties with Xero shoes. These were sent to me for free in order that I would review them for you guys to see how they are. So let's get back to the review. So today, I get to review the brand new Sunrise from Xero shoes. This is a super light, comfortable camping or traveling shoe. You can wear this anywhere. Go out to the mail, walk around the house, go out to the garage, out when you're camping or traveling on long trips and you want to wear something light and comfortable. This shoe comes in at 5.6 ounces or 158.8 grams. It's extremely lightweight, but on top of that, it's extremely flexible. You can pack this anywhere. You could put it in a backpack pocket, put it anywhere you need it to be able to travel with it easily. And then it pops right back in. This shoe, being microfiber, you would think would be extremely absorbent, but it's actually water repellent. So you can go for a walk with this shoe, no problem. I love wearing these shoes everywhere I go because they're extremely comfortable. You can slip your feet in here real fast and just go. Now this shoe comes in 4 different colors. The brown, which is the one that I have here, which has a slight off brown / gray bottom, and a nice brown microfiber top. It also comes in fig, which is very similar to this, but with a little bit more red to it, a forest green, which is a mostly gray with a hint of green on it, and the solid gray, which has the same gray bottom, but a nice solid gray microfiber top. Now I want to share 3 things I love about this shoe and 3 things that I don't like about this shoe. First thing I love about this shoe, it is very easy to put on. I can slip it on quickly without worrying about tying my shoes and I can just go. Number 2, it's lightweight and comfortable. I love that part about this shoe. And number 3, the traction is still incredible. I love the flexibility, the movement, and the freedom to go anywhere I need to go. Now the 3 things I don't like about it. They do get dirty quick, but the remedy for that is they clean really easy. Number 2, you definitely need them to be in a warm environment. They're not meant for cold weather like it is here right now. And number 3, the insole does slide a little bit, but that's to be expected when you don't wear socks, and I don't wear socks with it. So in the description below, I'll have a link to the Xero Shoes website. Now, as a disclaimer, I am an affiliate for Xero Shoes. So if you end up clicking that link, I may receive compensation from Xero by promoting and sharing with you my reviews of Xero shoes. Thank you so much for watching my review on the Sunrise shoes from Xero Shoes. These shoes are extremely lightweight, comfortable, and I definitely recommend these shoes if you're looking for something for quick, easy slip-on to go anywhere you need to go. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for further reviews, and as always, God bless and thank you so much for watching.